Microsoft Windows 11, released in October 2021, brings a complete visual redesign and numerous enhancements over its predecessor, Windows 10. This modern operating system emphasizes an intuitive user experience, enhanced productivity tools, better gaming performance, and improved security features. The user interface features a sleek design with the Start menu now centered on the taskbar, providing easy access to pinned apps and recent files. Multitasking is enhanced with snap layouts, allowing users to effortlessly arrange windows for perfect fitting without overlapping. File Explorer has been updated to put all files and folders in one place, offering recommended, favorite, and recent files with an autocomplete feature. Windows 11 integrates advanced AI features, including background removal and image generation using DALL-E technology. Microsoft Copilot acts as an AI companion, helping users perform tasks like a pro, while Smart App Control uses AI to predict safe applications. Security is a cornerstone of Windows 11, requiring TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and featuring Microsoft Defender improvements and Windows Hello enhancements. The operating system also boasts built-in accessibility features like narrator, live captions, voice access, and an immersive reader. Users can tailor their screen experience with display settings, personalized cursor and text size, and zoom in with magnifier. Windows 11 offers improved touch, pen, and voice input, including a new voice typing launcher and a dedicated pen menu for digital pen users. The Microsoft Store has been redesigned to include traditional desktop applications, progressive web apps, and UWP apps with improved discoverability. Through the Amazon App Store, Windows 11 can even run certain Android applications, expanding its versatility. File Explorer updates include curated views for Microsoft 365 content, context menu dividers, and new sharing options with Android devices. The Settings app features a redesigned homepage with top cards for system info and FAQs, allowing users to manage AI model usage. For better organization, users can customize quick settings, utilize focus mode to minimize distractions, and create multiple desktops. File Explorer now supports tabs, similar to web browsers, and users can switch to dark mode for a cooler, eye-friendly palette. The upcoming Windows 11 2025 update, version 25H2, will introduce Copilot Plus AI PC enhancements like Recall and Click to Do. This update also brings UI and UX improvements across core Windows elements, including the taskbar, and adds multiple dashboards to widgets. Windows Hello will feature a modernized interface for passkey authentication, and a new PC migration app will simplify transferring files and settings. Windows 11 continues to evolve, offering a powerful, secure, and user-friendly computing experience for everyone.